Good morning, Chuck here with no time to be hungry. Today's gonna be an awesome day. Let's get right into the kitchen and see what's cooking. Today is the very first video of this series, so we're gonna have 3 meals today. 3 dishes, 3 special Thai dishes. This is Pookie, Paige, my beautiful, very calm, relaxed Thai wife. Say hi. Paige is her American name, full of energy, never stops smiling. Come tell me the name of this dish we're having for lunch today. I know it's Black Kim. What's the name of the dish?
Oh, Kana Pa Kim.
Kana Pa Kim. This is the one and only my mother-in-law, Soy Mafia. Soy Mafia is a name that the community here calls her, and you'll find out eventually why in the videos. Mafia! Say hello for the first time. Okay. So this is a preparation of the dish for lunch.
อินทรีปลาอินทรีปลาอิน
อะไร
ทรี
ปลาอินทรีภาษาอังกฤษเรียกว่าอะไร
ไม่รู้
This is a saltwater fish. You guys have seen it in some of my videos kind of hanging dry when we were in Prachuap last. But it is a Spanish mackerel. They hang it and they put salt on it and they cure it. Of course, this is awesome Thai chili pepper, plik Thai, and this is awesome garlic gatiam, which is good. This is all Chinese broccoli. And she's gonna stir fry it up, right? This is the stuff that she's gonna prepare for dinner tonight at our neighbor Maon's house. And we're also gonna have khao ji. What's the name of the dish? ชื่ออะไร
ผัดวุ้นเส้น
Pak Woon Sen. Woon Sen is a glass noodle or a clear noodle, whatever you want to call it. But in Thai language, it's called Woon Sen. Woon Sen. So pak is a vegetable. Pak Woon Sen. Yeah, that's what's for dinner. So we'll get started on this dish here, and I'll show you how Mafia is a master chef. They're all like master chefs here, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, the only problem with following my mother-in-law around in the kitchen cooking is I never know when she's gonna start exactly, because she's got a lot of energy like me. So this is some of the ingredients that we're using right now. This is a white pepper. This is a sesame oil, namanga sesame seed oil, and this is oyster sauce, which is what is that? Naman hoi. And this is soy sauce.
Light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce. She's heated up some oil.
ทอด
Taught means fried.
ทอด เดี๋ยวจะไปเพื่อน
Taught. So it's fish. Fish in Thai is pla. Maybe during these videos, you guys, if you're interested in learning a little bit of Thai, maybe you'll pick it up. Got to get the apron on first. So she actually soaked that a little bit in water to try to get the smell down. Because Kim could be like strong, like salty, black Kim, but really this particular dish, it's really kind of stinky. But no, actually what it is, it's salty, black Kim. Kim also is very salty, strong flavored black Kim. But it's got a really strong odor to it. Like, I wish you could smell it right now. We got the turbo fan on because it's stinky now. I'm actually in the process of making banana bread by request of Paige. I'm not going to show you in the video tonight of my cake guai home banana bread, but in the future I'll do some videos of some of the dishes that I like to cook for them here. Like I like to do a lot of baking, so breads, pizzas, bakery stuff. Yeah, later. Right now it's Mafia Vision. Is that a peanut oil?
น้ำมันจ้ะ
That's a peanut oil. Tua. Naman tua.
น้ำมันถั่ว
น้ำมันถั่ว
หัวเหลือง
Yellow peanut oil. This is going to be for the stir fry. Of course, always cooking with gas.
กระเทียม
Can't
พริก
have Thai food without red hot chili peppers.
มาพริก
There is a trick to making Thai stir fry. And you don't want to overcook the vegetables. The vegetables are on last, but you always got to have a hot wok. And you don't want to get the garlic burned. You just want it to be cooked a little bit, maybe a little bit of a color to it. And then once that happens, then she starts adding in the Chinese broccoli. And remember, all Thai dishes are to taste. So ingredients, not gonna happen. Just gonna show you how it's prepared. Or amount of ingredients, I should say. Oh yeah, that smells like it's burnt. You gotta love Thailand. Clear out the sinuses, or burn the hair off your nose.
น้ำตาล
Namtan,
Namtan
a little bit of sugar, a little bit of white granulated sugar.
ครึ่งช้อ
A
น
lot of food in Thailand is extremely sweet, so when you're here, you gotta tell them not so much sugar,
เค็
please.
มลงตักลงน้ำใส่นิดหน่อย
A little bit of water.
นิดนึงเสร็จ
That's it. That's all the ingredients. So now it's just a matter of getting it cooked just right. Oh, that's so spicy. It's gonna be so good. So once she's done with it, almost cooked the way she likes it, then she tastes it and then adds in a little bit of whatever extra she thinks that it needs. So obviously it needs a little bit more oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is a little sweet, หวานนิดหน่อย
มานิดหน่อยกินดู
So this is my favorite part of the whole preparation part of the meal
ชิมดูสิ
is to taste it. Let's get a little bit of everything. Let's get a pepper, some green. Yeah.
เอาอะไรอีกพอดี
Ham.
เค็มไหมปลาเค็มเลย
Salty fish. Very good. อร่อยครับ Okay, there it is. And I also made some Thai sausage, Isan sausage. Cycle. That's Paul Red. And Matim. อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก
Okay, dish number 1. Okay, well this evening we are going to make our second dish, which is what I said, pak bun sen. Bun sen is a clear or glass noodle, and pak is vegetables. A clear glass noodle salad, we'll call it that. We've got pak chi, which is cilantro, regular lettuce, and we have some Thai basil, green onions, and garlic and minced carrots. Got eggs and some pork, some ground pork.
เป็นสูตรใหม่เลย
Fried egg. Just gonna brown the garlic just a little bit. Everything's happening so fast. You hungry? And we've got some oyster sauce, naman hoi,
น้ำมันหอยซอส
that's soy sauce,
น้ำตาล
a little bit of sugar, a little bit,
นิดหน่อย
Man, I wish you guys could smell that. It smells really good. There goes the glass noodle, or clear noodle. A little bit of water. Now she took this whole bag out and soaked it in a little bit of water in here for a while before we put it in there.
มันน้ำร้อนมันร้อนตรงนี้
Add a little bit more water to it. Make sure it's nice and soft.
ยังเลยยังเหนียวอยู่
Sticky.
เอาน้ำใส่อีกนิดหน่อย
A little bit more water. About a chef's ounce. I get to taste it. My favorite part.
ดูสิเค็มไหมมันห้อน
Not very hot.
น้ำตาลเอาต้นอีกไหม
Alright.
เอาเลยเหรอโอเคไหม
And that's it. Very awesome.
ปิด
Of course, all of that is to wrap everything up in. Along with dipping sauce.
โบราณ
Amazing. And this is our sauce. It's a sweet, little spicy. It's a Vietnamese sauce. She already had it. She bought it at the Vietnamese restaurant down the street. And that's some ground nuts.
ถั่ว
Ooh.
ถั่วลิสงถั่วเนี่ยหอมอีกคำหน่อยๆก็ได้เนาะ
คำหน่อยคำหน่อยแม่
สักกี่กินเนี่ยกิน
I think this is going to be,
for you today
I think this is going to be for me.
โอ้ต้องเอานี่มาใส่จานไปซะก่อนแม่
A healthy Thai taco. This is
Taco.
Pak Bun Sen. Pak Bun
ผัด
Sen.
วุ้นเส้น
เนี่ย
เป็นยังไง
ลอยไหม
Alright, Ma. Okay, now for our third dish of the day. Yes, believe it or not, it does get cold in Thailand. What's the temperature right now? Like 10?
No
It's got to be at least 15 degrees Celsius, I think, right now. It's pretty cool.
17
Okay, 17. Our next dish is khao ji. We're gonna walk down the street. Gonna do a little video at our friend, hang on, selfie time. At our friend Matt Owen's house. Okay, our next dish involves sticky rice. I'm not gonna get into what sticky rice is today, but in Thai language it's khao niao. It's a special kind of rice and it's a little bit sticky. They make them into little patties and then they dip them in egg and salt. But there's a little bit of a technique to it. So they kind of get it cooked a little bit on the grill and then they dip it in the egg. So this is the thing to do in Isan when the temperature is cool outside. We come out here. Out here is the river, the Mekong River, and we cook khao ji. It's a super awesome thing to do when the temperature is cool. And normally we'll grill some pork also, but khao ji. This is all the mafia group. You guys will see them in this video series quite often. Life is awesome in Thailand. Awesome food all the time. Okay, let's try one of these out. Sticky rice. This is very, very filling. And this is a special dipping sauce. I'll show you guys another time how to make this. But it's very important to have with the khao ji. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this new series of No Time to Be Hungry. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down in the description box. This video might be a little bit longer than normal. I'm gonna try just to do one dish at one restaurant, at one outing, at, I don't know, something, but it's gonna be fun. Please come along with us. Please subscribe to this awesome new channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Never gonna be hungry in Thailand. Bye.